Okay, so hello guys, welcome back for another vlog. So today we're here at Saint-Rémy-le-Chevreau. This is basically the terminus of Aero-RB, and it is in the Yvelines department and in southwest of Paris. So ngayon, we're going to explore the area. This is just a small village and it is very popular siya sa village vibe, small village vibe. And ayun, sa green landscape niya. Let's see what we can do here. So ayun, itong Saint-Rémy-le-Chevreau is part of the Chevreau Valley, which is actually famous for hiking, for their river, for their forest. And ayun, madaming Parisians na nagpupunta dito to escape and mag-hiking, ganyan, mag-trekking. So ayun, so we're here to explore today. Kasama ko sila mami and si daddy and si tita, pero naghanap sila ng restaurant. So ayun, this is actually 25 kilometers away from Paris and it's 30 to 35 minutes using or via Aero-RB. Hindi ka maliligaw kasi ito yung last station. So ayan ang kanilang gare. Diyan kami bumaba kanina and dinahanap ko sila mami kung asan sila. So this is the inside of the market. Wow. Halos same lang din ng price dun sa Paris. But I bet this one's fresher.
Hello, you can have chocolate monkey. Okay. You can have one and one chocolate double.
So we are here. What is this? This is like a park. The greenery is giving. It is indeed very calm here. So we're having Asian food today. Tapos kakain na lang kami sa park. Dito kami sa park. Dito kami kakain like picnic style. Ano yung in-order mo, tita? Hi!
We bought it from Asian restaurant. I ordered chicken with champignon and fish with the bell
Breaded
pepper, I
fish.
think.
Si Mama, ayun. Hi, Ma.
Smells good.
Me? I ordered the fish Thai, okay, Thai, and
Chicken with ginger.
bread.
Ako, rice with
Rice.
chicken citronelle.
I still have more.
Bon appetit! Okay, so tapos na kaming kumain. So maglalakad-lakad lang kami. And matagal pa kasi yung bus papunta ng Chateau de la Madeleine. Dito kami sa gare kasi may CR dito. You can use your Navigo. And then, as you can see, ang dami dito mga nagbabike. Mga galing sa trekking, ganyan. So, ayun. Okay, so change of plan. Hindi kami dumiretso dun sa una naming binabaan. Dumiretso kami sa Centerville kasi mas madali pala dun. Nagdagan lang ng 5 minutes yung walk. Dito kami ngayon sa city center or sa town center ng Saint-Rémy-Chevreau. Okay, so paakat na kami sa Chateau de la Madeleine. Ay, paakat pala siya pataas. Ayan.
Warning.
Okay, so ayun, mataas pala talaga siya. So the castle was built on top of the hill. So strategically, they put it there kasi itong area ng Chevreuse Valley before is very important during the medieval ages. Pero worth it daw yung view from the top. So kakayanin natin ito. Mas madali ito kumpara sa gobyerno sa Pilipinas, no? Akit ka ng konti. Ano yan?
Difficult roads leads to beautiful destination.
Wow!
So let's go.
So ayan, sa taas daw niyan, you can see panoramic view of the Chevreau Valley. Saba, may nag-alis na ng chaleco. So this is the front of the chateau. Ngayon sila, isa kasi daddy. Okay, so I'm going inside of the Chateau de la Madeleine and come on, this was built 11th century pa. So basically, this is a 1,000-year-old chateau. Ayan. So they built it to protect the Chevreau Valley. So this is the inside. No doubt, ang dami dito nagte-trekking kasi worth it naman pala talaga ang view and yung history nito. So one fact is Parisians are going here to escape, to trail, to trek, and to experience and to see the history of Chevreau, Saint-Rémy de Chevreau. So kumuha ako ng tubig. Akit ako dun sa kanilang fortress and let's see what's inside of that. Dito din pala ngayon si Aquaman. Pagbaba mo dyan, you will see here a boutique if may gusto kayong bilhin, siguro mga souvenirs or what. Let's check. Mostly, I think, products from the town. Yung tinda. Hindi na ako nagpumasok sa loob kasi ang daming tao. Mainit na. Most of the Chateau de la Madeleine, for me, it's more of like a fortress lang. Kung siguro nung before, during the medieval ages, para lang makita nila kung may nating nakalaban. Kasi they built the chateau to protect the Chevreau Valley. So ayun, ito na yung aking pamilya. Kumusta?
We are lost. We are lost in space.
Nakakit ka na.
Taas!
Huh?
And we made it. I made it. Going up the hill.
May trail marathon pala bukas. That's the event for tomorrow. And si Daddy. So, meron din siya, of course, well. Pero this one is malalim. Hello! Lalim. Ewan ko may laman. Okay, we're done with the chateau. Hindi ko na alam kung saan ang next destination. Ayan, sa pababa na kami. Tapos nadulas, ano. May mga nagbabike din. Ayan. So, you're up for a challenge in biking, why not? Pwede ka ding mag-picnic dito sa gilid-gilid. Ganyan. Say hi! Abiento! So, ayun. Maganda rin ditong mag-visit. Pag mahilig kayong ganito, mamundok, mag-trekking, you know, may challenge lang dito sa hagdan. Yung pag nagmamadali ka, ikaw ay magtutuloy-tuloy doon. Nandito na kami sa Kapatagan. Bravo, Lorena! Bravo! Okay, so we're back in the city center. We are in Daru. Madami akong kilalang pumupunta dyan eh. Sa Lalande. This is Église Saint-Martin here at Église Saint-Martin de Chevreau. Okay, so this church is built between 11th and 12th century, and this church is dedicated to Saint Martin, which is one of the famous saint here in France. And yung bell tower nitong church is one of the recognizable landmarks here in Saint-Rémy de Chevreau. And as you can see here, this is made of Gothic and Romanesque design, and yung stained glass niya is one of its distinguished design din. So yan yung bell tower ng Église Saint-Martin de Chevreau, which is one of recognizable landmarks here in the Chevreau Valley. So kung magpupunta kayo dito and you start your tour, here at the Iglesia Marta. There's actually a map here, this one. And may library doon. And yung office tourism is ayun lang din sa tabi. So you can get a map or anything na information about the town. This is a museum. Musée Grataloup. This is for contemporary art. Pero may bayad. So alam na this. Ayan si Mama. 3D yung effect. So this is the promenade story. So papunta kami sa Mac o Canar. Hindi ko alam kung ano yun. So let's see what we can see. Let's go. Paligi. Paligi pala siya, paligi. So, ayan ang kanilang Hotel de Ville or yung Mary. And kanina dito kami bumaba. Yan, doon kami umakyat papunta ng Chateau de la Madeleine. And we're going to wait for the bus. So, medyo matagal yung bus. Mas ideal na lang maglakad. It's just 17 minutes. Kaysa maghintay ng bus ng 45 minutes. So, maglalakad na lang kami papunta ng Coubertin Farm or Ferme de la Coubertin dito sa Saint-Rémy de Chevaux. So, ayun. Sinama ko na din tong Coubertin Farm sa aking vlog because centuries ago, the area or the Farm de la Coubertin is actually a big farm that supply nearby towns, including Paris, ng mga agricultural products. So, ayun. So, let's see what we can see there. Yan ay mga residential lot dito sa town na to. As you can see, old talaga yung vibe. Meron lang touch ng modern. This is actually a famous state farm located here in Chevreuse Valley. So ayun, bibili kami ng milk saka ng cheese kasi may tindahan daw doon. So ayun, kanina kasi sarado sila ng lunchtime. So nag-reopen lang sila ng 3 p.m. ulit. So we're trying to visit and check what we can see there. Kami lang maingay dito, to be honest. Saka yung mga motor. Pero masaya naman. Malapit na kami. Ilang minutes pa, tita? 7 minutes more. So, naaamoy ko na ang mga damo. Wow, we are now at the Del Pilar Amianan.
Rizal Nueva Ecija.
Wow.
Del Pilar.
Let's check the bash or the tawag dito, the baka. Doon galing yung fresh milk. So nakapila sila kasi later daw ay sila ay milk. Sila ay gagatasan. At least dito sa France, ang ginagatasan ay baka, hindi ang taong bayan. Oh, may mga rabbits din. Oh, cute. Ang lalaki. Alouette, almond, abrico.
Ay, mga pangalan nila.
This is a big one. So this is basically a farm with farm animals. So as you know, here in France, rabbit is considered a normal meat. Kinakain na lang rabbit dito. Sorry, Bugs Bunny. So they're not allowing to give food. But this is not a chicken coop. Kambingan pala to. Obviously. Oh. No fighting. So, ayun. Cute siya na farm. Maliit lang. Parang family-owned lang siya. Pero sabi kasi, this one is showing the agricultural system here in Chevreuse Valley. So that's why medyo famous siya. And you can buy products from it. You can buy milk.
Milk and some yogurt and some cheese.
Pwede kang bumili kasi dito ng milk, ng eggs, ng agricultural products. So I'm back to Dalapang. I don't know kung kinakain sila. Kung part ito ng mga kinakain. Pero yeah, basically here, rabbits are considered just a normal meat. parang chicken, ganun. You can buy them in a supermarket. Sa mga open market, they're selling rabbit meat. This is a cute one. Para siyang Dalmatian. Say hi. His name is Alouette, Amond, Abakico. This is nameless. Wala siyang reaction. I'm gonna check their products and let's see what we can buy from that. Kasi malulubat na din ako in a bit. And yung microphone ko din, mawawala na. So, ayan. You can see Daddy. Daddy. So this is the boutique. Meron din silang mga eggs. So may selection din dito ng mga cheese. They have their goat cheese here. They have the blue cheese and may yogurt. Mura lang. Akala ko 12. 2 euro pala. I have my fresh milk. So kakain lang kami dito saglit. Ito pala yung chicken coop nila. Ayan. Ayan o. Pero maliit lang. Ayan yung mga kakarampot na chicken. Siopaw?
No, this is fromage blanc.
Avec
Avec
herbs and garlic.
I have also like this is cheesecake.
Tart fromage.
Yeah, tart fromage, and this is fromage blanc
Avec myrtoy.
avec milk. Avec lis.
Ali.
Lis? What is lis?
Lisa. Ewan ko. Hindi na alam kung matigi-tigis na kami ng milk. Dahil gatas yan fresh from cow.
Because we
Cook.
want
So, ito kami. Ano mga ayun, wala pa. Daddy, masarap?
boom. Which one I will try?
Not sure first. Me, I'm going to try the chocolate. Okay, so tapos na kami dito. Natikman namin ang kanilang mga dairy products and it's good. It's very good. Very fresh. Lasang-lasa mo talaga yung gatas ng kalabaw. Ay, gatas ng baka. And panalo yung ano na yung masarap?
Cheesecake. Fromage.
Yung
Cheesecake.
tart fromage,
Yeah,
yung
I will
cheesecake.
come back for that next time. Tart of fromage.
So thank you, Cow, for your milk products. Hindi nakakuha pa kami ng last piece. Si Tita, inubos niya talaga yung cheese. Ayan, no? So, we're going back to Paris now. We're going back to Dagar. It's a 15 minutes walk daw. So, ayan. So, basically, this is a walking lane and a bike lane too. So, ayan. May mga nagbabike ka makikita. Pwede ding maglakad. Tapos, syempre, bigayan lang. So, ayun. It's very true na according sa mga online users na nagpunta dito, this is really one of the prettiest and greenest Aero Air end line or the terminal lines of Aero Air or the RER or the big lines here in Paris. So, kasi talagang sobrang green niya. The green landscapes are endless. Maganda. Okay, so I think that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. And if you want to visit Saint-Rémy de Chevaux, please do like and subscribe and comment on my video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Bye!
Bye!